Hello, welcome to the session to share the features of DigiPay of Digital Society Online portal. So here we start with administrator. We simply have to click the login, select admin and enter the email ID of the administrator and the password, and then simply click the go. And if the login and password are correct, we'll be successfully logged in into the system. So we'll go section by section. So first we'll start with the home page of the portal, which cover 4 different features: announcement board, ticketing system, advertisement and online polling. So here we are on the home page of the portal. So here you can see this is the area of announcements. Administrator of the portal can write different announcements with the ending date. So till the time current date is less than the end date of any particular announcement, it will be visible in this scrolling window. Once the date crosses the end date, it will not be visible in this area. Similarly, the advertisements, administrator, they can take advertisement from their suppliers and they can post it here with the end date defined. Till the time current date is it is less than the end date, it will be visible. Once it crosses, the advertisement will no longer be visible. And administrator can take charges from their supplier or people who want to advertisement in their society or their entity, and it can be a revenue earning stream. So once users will be logged in into their system, the advertisement will be visible to all of them, and so is the case with announcements. And here in the polling, administrator can create a poll, online polling, to collect feedback or views of people in the society. And every user, once they log in, they can participate in the poll, and they can participate only once. And once the time period expires for the polling, then this polling will not be visible to any users. They cannot participate, and administrator can see the results, what people have uh, you know uh, their views and whatever they have provided. So this is the ticketing system, and in this ticketing system, end users can create a ticket from the home page by just clicking the plus button, add a new ticket. And this is how it looks like. Once they create the ticket, it will go to the administrator. For example, here we have created one ticket with the name Asian Rangoli, created by the user Rajiv. Ticket number, normal priority, in process, created date. The problem statement is no water in flat number B27. This is the administrative reply. So if user will reply again on this ticket, it will come here like chatting for the ticket, and administrator can keep on replying. And once the ticket is closed, the problem is solved. The admin can change the status to closed and just click OK, and so ticket will be closed, and the notification will be sent to the user who has created the ticket. So this way administrators can keep track of open tickets, open issues, the start date, end date, uh, in entirety and priority for all the tickets which are created by various users. So now come to sorry we come to the next feature, which is system configuration. So in system configuration, the administrator for any entity can define up to 7 reminders before due date and 7 reminders after due date. All of them are configurable. Administrator can customize the text of email and SMS messages to suit their needs. They can add notes at the bottom of an invoice as required, and they can control the access control of various other administrators. So let's see how we can see these in the portal. So we go to the settings tab. Here the reminder frequency, maximum 7 reminders can be set, and these are all configurable starting from 1 day till 30 days. And for example, if I want to just send 6, I can do that. If I want to add more, I can just do here and say let's assume 12. Similarly, reminders after due date are again maximum configurable to 7. So just to save, we just have to click OK, because we haven't made any changes, so it is saying no changes. So let's assume we make it 14, then submit, and so it is successfully submitted. So here in this tab we can make changes to the default text of messages email that goes. In case we have to change, we just add it, change the text, and then in case we define any customized text, the customized text will be sent, otherwise the default text will be sent. Same goes for SMS. And in invoice notes, whatever is typed by the admin in the invoice notes, the same will go in the invoices at the bottom of the invoices. For example, this is the invoice in the PDF format, so whatever is mentioned there will appear here in each and every invoice. So this is a customization that administrators can do for their invoices. So we now go for the admins. So master admin, the super user of any entity can create various admins for their entity, and the roles can be defined for each of them as per the need. For example, let's consider one admin Amit, and these are the details of Amit: mobile number, email ID, etc., and belonging to various groups. So here in the permissions, as you can see, we can define, for different things what controls Amit can exercise. For example, we want to remove the rights that he cannot delete anything. We have to just unselect, do a save, and in real time the data is updated. So now Amit cannot delete users, invoices, anything. Amit cannot delete anything in this case. So it can be increased, decreased at any point in time, and it is available at real time basis. So next feature, we go to user management. So for example, the society members in a society, their accounts have to be created in the system. Okay, so here there are two modes for the accounts creation. So one is we can create individual accounts for the users. Sorry, we have to go to the users section.